CGW's innovative contaminant-free Type 27 3-in-1 wheel. It has 3 layers of fiberglass net reinforcement for fast cutting, easy grind, weld removal, and excellent surface finishing with one wheel. 3-in-1 wheels are recommended for use on metal fabrication applications, where they will tighten your production rate and lower stock needs for multiple products. 3 layers of fiberglass net reinforcement provide the wheels with added strength to cut, grind, and finish. Use at 90 degrees to cut. Use at 30 degrees to grind. Use at 15 degrees to finish. This cost-effective wheel eliminates frequent wheel changes and increases production rates by simply changing the angle of the grinder to keep working. For more information on our products, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website at www.cgwcampbell.com or call our toll-free customer service number at 800-447-4248. Here at CGW, we do it better.